Good morning, everyone. I'm Ronaldo, and here are some good news in 2036. Messi has retired from football, and Ronaldo fans are super happy as they are roaming Portugal. The Portugal government has issued a law enforcement warning, as the crowd have been fighting over who the best player. Stay safe and lock all doors and windows.
This is Al Nasser. You may seen him last news, but Ronaldo has gone missing. The police are on a lookout for him. If you ever find him, you will be awarded $100,000. This is Al Nasser. Signing off. We have some sad news that Ronaldo died in the crowd fighting. Pay all your respects to Ronaldo, and may him rest in peace.
Ronaldo has turned into a zombie. Lock all doors and use weapons, including bombs or guns.
The United Nations has issued a zombie apocalypse as Ronaldo has bitten a lot of people. Hide and grab weapons, including bombs, nukes, tanks, and guns.
False report. Someone made it up and the world went crazy cause of the apocalypse. You can go back to normal, but still, rest in peace, Ronaldo. This is Al Nasser. Signing off.